In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the invoice ID of a transaction in PayPal. Whether you're a business owner reconciling your accounts, a freelancer tracking payments, or simply need this detail for personal records, finding an invoice ID in PayPal is a straightforward process once you know where to look. We'll walk through it step by step to ensure you can easily locate this crucial piece of information for your financial management. To begin, the very first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll typically land on your account summary page, which provides an overview of your recent activity. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Activity section. This is usually prominently displayed in the main menu or navigation bar at the top of your PayPal dashboard. Clicking on Activity will take you to a comprehensive list of all your past transactions, which is exactly where we need to be to find our specific payment details. Now that you're on the Activity page, you'll see a chronological list of all your transactions, both sent and received. The next step is to locate and select the particular transaction for which you need the invoice ID. Depending on how many transactions you have, you might need to scroll down to find it among your recent activity. For easier navigation, PayPal also provides useful filters and a search bar. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or even search for specific keywords related to the transaction, like the sender's name or the amount. This helps you quickly pinpoint the payment you're interested in. Once you've identified the correct transaction, simply click on it. This action will open up a detailed view, providing all the specific information related to that single payment. Upon clicking on the transaction, you'll be presented with a page showing a wealth of information. Here, you'll find details such as the transaction status, the amount, the date, the recipient or sender, and other relevant payment specifics. Your goal now is to look for the invoice ID. This ID is a unique alphanumeric identifier often used by sellers to track specific orders or services, making it invaluable for record keeping and reconciliation. It's usually clearly labeled and can be found within the core transaction details section. Sometimes it's listed directly under the payment details, or it might be grouped with other identifying numbers, like the transaction ID. Take a moment to carefully scan the entire page. It should be prominently displayed to ensure ease of access. Once you find it, you'll have successfully located the invoice ID for your chosen PayPal transaction,